Setting up can be quite complicated when you are still new to Peasy. So to make sure that you get your full money worth and you get to start using Peasy as fast as possible, we have created two prefabricated recipes to cater for two common use cases. So if how to invoke this accelerated setup on your keyboard, if you're using PC or Linux, click on the alternate and P button. You should see a little screen like this appear. If you're using Mac, please click on the Command and P button to invoke this screen. So you can see we have two different prefabricated recipe. Choose lead qualification if you want to create a chatbot that will automatically ask qualification question to any new incoming leads and distribute the leads to your sales team based on custom rules and territory assignment. Choose appointment scheduling if you want PZ to automatically ask qualification question to for every incoming lead and then encourage them and help them to make an appointment with your salesperson and automatically send reminder and rescheduling message to your prospect as well. Now for this purpose, for this demo and purpose, you can click on either of this, but I'll choose this as a example. So I'm going to click this button over here, click on the continue button. You will ask based on the inbox that you have selected, all of the chatbot and template messages will be created using that selected checkbox. There you go, done. It's set up, and when I click on my campaign and chatbot, you will see there are chatbots created by the automation. If I click on my what do you call automations, you can see they are already automation created by the chatbot.